wonderful logo. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'd like to say is that our faith in Aitken Spence has been vindicated also. Mr. Brito, Dr. Parra, the chairman of Fiji Ports Terminal Limited, the board members of Fiji Ports, invited guests, members of the judiciary, ladies and gentlemen. What I'd like to say very quickly is that firstly I'd like to acknowledge the fact that Fiji Ports now has made enormous, not just an effort, but enormous achievements have been made by this management company and indeed now a shareholder in Fiji Ports Limited through Aitken Spence. It has been a wonderful partnership. It has been a wonderful collaboration, which has seen, as has been said, the levy that was being charged on containers coming to Fiji being lifted now. It obviously has meant financial benefit, not just for the exporters, but also for the importers. It also means, apart from the usual sort of dollar value to it, that increases the value of Fiji as a port. It increases the value of Fiji as a transportation hub. It increases the value of Fiji as a marketable destination. And that is precisely what we have been trying to do over the past few years, in particular in the past 3 or 4 years. Unfortunately, and I have to say this, that previously when there have been moves that were made regarding the introduction of private sector enterprises into the public sector reform areas, they were not done well. A case in point was that you had Fiji Ship Heavy Industries Limited, that from what I understand at that point in time was sold to a $2 company. And in the end, a New Zealand $2 company. The point is that it was the fault of the government. There was nothing to do with New Zealand per se. The point is that we need to learn from it. The point is that when we do go into public-private partnerships, we need to go into partnerships with credible companies that have a proven track record, areas, engagements in which we have due diligence, and to ensure that we do not just get the equity holding into the companies, but also companies that bring in best international practices. And that is really the way to go, and that is indeed what you'll be seeing in the next few months, ladies and gentlemen, in terms of many of the other projects that we are currently looking at, in terms of not just divestment of government shares, but in terms of partnerships that we'll be putting in place and on the table. I would like to, of course, acknowledge the Aitken Spence management for that. I'd like to acknowledge the input of the board. We've got the CEO of FEA as the chair. We've got the CEO of Fiji Roads Authority on the board also. So the idea is to be able to, and there are of course other members on the board. The idea is to be able to get the best team on the board. It's not about who you know or who attends the cocktail circuits the most. It's about getting the right skill sets onto the respective boards. And that is the new way that we'll be doing things. And it obviously will pay dividends. I'd like to thank all the shipping companies. I know some of them were a bit reticent initially with this new partnership, being frank about it. Everybody was sitting on the fence and saying, well, I wonder if this will actually be a success or not. But again, that decision has been vindicated. You are now all our partners, and we want to work together with you and collaborate with you even further. So ladies and gentlemen, this branding of Fiji Ports Terminal Limited, as has been said by Dr. Parra, is again the branding of Fiji. We have Fiji Airways, we have Investment Fiji, we have Film Fiji. We also now are looking at various other Fijis in respect of where government has a stake in it. We of course have other brands that have capitalized on the name of Fiji. And whenever anybody says Fiji, it must signify quality. It must signify consistency. It must signify a brand that you can depend on. And that is what we must all work towards. I'd like to thank all the staff who've been involved in Ports Terminal, now Fiji Ports Terminal, for their contribution, for their dedication, for their hard work. We were a few months back down at the port, and the enthusiasm with which everybody had embraced this new change in management, which is obviously paying dividends, is very much appreciated. So with all of you here in this room, many of you are stakeholders, I'd like to thank you for working together with us. Thank you for working with the Fiji Ports Terminal Limited. We look forward to bigger and better things. I'd like to thank once again Aitken Spence. It's a very, very impressive company. It's a Fortune 200 company outside the USA. And it's a, I think, 200 years old company? Almost 200 years old company, publicly listed. So these are the types of companies that we're looking at for partnerships, and we hope that we can do a lot more with them. I wish you all a very good evening. Naka. Thank you.